This week we're on a road trip, and right now we're along the Bogwalk Gorge heading right into Linstead. Welcome to another week of Predis. I'm your host Michaela Leana. Ensure that you stick around because we're bringing you the latest in lifestyle and entertainment. Predis starts now.
Like netball, hang up no baby, hit up on a next call. Shout me to a Roman tired, you no hear that. Nah this yo, baby me wouldn't play that. Pity she no know when she dep on the phone. Stay asleep and you lick at me up Simone. Kim send a please call me on a cheap phone. Tasha Gay send a BB so she read.
We've finally reached our destination. We're in the town of Linstead. Now you don't know it's carnival season, and Appleton and Digicel teamed up to bring the vibes to Mandeville last Friday night. We have the highlights from Carnival on the road. Check it out.
I come to wine and jam and I sure to catch it more than you. Cause when I'm fetting off course, I just do it like a boss. I'm fetting morning. Can do it for me. Let's go. Let's go.
Because you know what? It's been raining and the people, it's like them know say they don't rain, them walk with them umbrella. Some of them dash with them umbrella and them still a party and them not leave. The rain is up right now, and let me tell you, out there is rampack. You soon see it for yourself. It's a vibe. We're having a time, as I say in Trinidad. You know what? We kind of work off of the vibe of the people. And obviously we're in Jamaica, so we're going to give them some of the Jamaican music that they know and love. But we're going to mix it up with some soca music that is definitely guaranteed to give them a good time, which is what we have done, and they really appreciate it. So we love it. What the momentum has built, because since we left Portland, it's like people have been seeing it on television like Predis, and I'm saying, wow, I want to be a part of that. I don't want to be left out. And listen, right now we're in the heights of carnival season, and so everybody's looking forward to us coming to their town, and that's what we're doing, bringing the vibe. We're not disappointing.
I get my face all nice, so I just feel like to come out and enjoy myself.
Are you a carnival fan?
Not really, but I'm liking it.
Well, my face well look with our shampoo, yeah. Shanti my name. And the carnival well up. We are past you. But what are you?
Teen Carnival in Mandeville is very excited. As you get enough turnout, you guys should do it more often. We appreciate it.
If you see me again, I don't want my boss to see so white again. Don't want him to fire me so white again. Post me in the pharmacy so white again. Now, if you see me wine, and I don't care, choke, can I again? If you see me wine, and I don't care, choke, can I again? You see, my girlfriend don't trust me. She friends just accuse me. Say I just horn shake.
Well, as you can see, Mandeville is not so cool after all. I mean, it's heated in terms of the energy, the audience. Everybody just having fun, pure fun on the road. Next week we'll be in Linstead. The following week we'll be going very big in to end in Kingston. Why not have Kingston experience what the rest of Jamaica has been experiencing? So we'll be at Hope Gardens. It will be Pondy Road, Pandemonium style, with Machel Montana live. So you know that is something huge, because as you know, Machel is the king of soca, especially this year. So we'll be out in our numbers on the 9th of April, turning it up just like a boss.
Would you say mission accomplished?
Mission more than accomplished. Yes, I would. It has been an extraordinary season. From start, I mean, we're midway, and every single week it has grown bigger and bigger. So objectives definitely achieved. I mean, the carnival experience across Jamaica was well worth it.
Now, after all of that jumping and waving and carnival vibes, let's cool down with some refreshing True Juice and listen up to some health benefits of drinking True Juice. Listen up.
Vitamin C plays a big role in improving vision. It also prevents the development of cataracts, which is the clouding of eye lens that causes blindness in older people. It's because your eye lens needs high amounts of vitamin C to eliminate all the free radicals which generate due to direct exposure to sunlight. Every bottle of True Juice premium quality juices is packed with lots of vitamin C.
Jamaican rapper Kaleem London and soca artist 5-Star Akil are coming up right after this short break. We're in Linstead right now, and you're watching Predis.